Hi, and thanks for joining my channel. You're currently watching a recorded message because I've got about a 10-hour drive, and I'm doing this because I want to explain to you one of the tools of the digital business that I'm in, where you can schedule your work for a day ahead, 2 days ahead, a week ahead, doesn't matter. And that helps this opportunity to seamlessly blend in with your current life. And that's what we do. We help people start their own business, but we don't just leave it there. We teach people, we give them a training structure, we give them all the information, the website, everything they need to do business and to start their own individual enterprise. If you're stuck in a situation where you feel you're not getting out of and you're not really, getting time to spend with the important people, the people you love, and going to places that you love. If you want a business opportunity that you can really take with you and travel and just, increase your whole presence within the digital space, then this is for you. Just comment how, and I will gladly help you.